No problem. So please, you're welcome to Math Challenge, Life Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay. So the first question is here. Square root of 25 minus square root of 9, all brackets, raised to power 2 is equal to what? Square root of 25 minus square root of 9 squared is equal to what? So hi, you're welcome. Please solve this set. All right. So let me solve. But the thing is, I will write you solve. But when I'm not seeing any solution, then the next question will come again. Okay. Square root of 25 is 5 minus square root of 9 is 3 and is 3 square. 5 square root of 3 raised to power 2 is equals to 9. So our answer is 5 minus 4. We are subtracting the bigger number from smaller number, so we have minus 4. Okay, and this is the answer to the question. All right. So please, the next question. This is a math challenge. If I write the question, you solve, then I will cross-check. Okay. We have 3x plus 3x is equal to 54. Okay. X is equal to what? All right. So please solve. Give us a thumbs up, and if you drop your answer, I'll put your name down. Once we get 5 answers, we solve. Okay, so please help us solve this. Find the value of. Okay, so please. Okay, so please, sorry for that. Sorry for that. Hi, Oluwafemi. Hi, Princess DK. Hi, Oluwafemi. Hi, Princess DK. DK, you're welcome. Flowers. So please kindly answer this question. Bear with me. Network is a bit difficult from my side, but I believe normalize. Okay. So please solve this. Let me have your answers. Solve this. Drop your answers. Let me see. Okay, Bolanle, you are here already. Thank you for joining us. Bolanle said 3. Princess, I'm waiting for you. Princess, you're welcome. Okay, you're welcome. Please help us share this live section. Kindly help us share the live section and give us a thumbs up so that we'll get more distribution, please. Okay, so let me solve this as we wait for more people to join us. Please help us share the live section. We have 3 raised to power x plus 3 raised to power x equal to 54. 3 raised to power x plus itself will give us 2 of 3 raised to power x equals to 54. So divide the first side by 2, divide this side by 2. And remember, our aim is to make x the subject formula. We cancel here, and we have 3x. Now, 54 divided by 2, we do 5 divided by 4. We have 2. Okay? Now, 2 times 2 is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1. We add that 1 here. We have 14. 14 divided by 2 is 7. Okay? That is how you do it to get 27. Then 3x is equal to 27 is equal to 3 raised to power 3, because 3 times 3 times 3 into 3 places. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. That is 3 raised to power 3. Now the base are the same. We equate their powers and we have x equal to 3. And this is the solution to the question. All right. So like what I do here, on the other side, we use our app clap and cheers button. But here I do clap with my hands. Okay. So Flowers, you fell correctly. Okay. Here's to Flowers. So now the next question number 3 for today. So our aim is to solve 7 questions to solve 20 questions before the live section is over. Okay. Now the next question says solve square root of x minus 5 equal to 3. X is equal to what? Solve this. Drop your answer. Please, thank you for joining us. Give us thumbs up if you like what you're watching, and feel free to share this live section so that more people can join us. So second question says find x in square root of x minus 5 equal to 3. Okay. So if you solve, you drop your answer. So Princess says 4. Princess. Princess says 4. Princess said 4. Okay, Flowers. 14. Okay. Bolanle 14. Okay. Bolanle 14. All right. So more answers. Please, we are doing math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Kindly help us solve and drop your answer. Once we reach 5 persons that answer, that we take answers from 5 persons, we'll now solve it. We'll now solve it and put, we'll now see the person that got it correctly. Okay, so we are solving this, Princess. So we have square root of x minus 5 equal to 3. Okay, so the first thing is to get rid of this square root. So we square both sides to get rid of the square root. Okay, this square here will take off the square root, and we have x minus 5 is equal to 3 square is 3 times 3, and that is 9. Okay, x is equal to, we write 9. When this minus 5 crosses the equality sign, it becomes plus 5. Okay, so our x is equal to 9 plus 4 is 14. So cheers to the first person that got it correct. Flowers, cheers to you, and Bolanle, you guys did well. So I'm clapping for Flowers. Flowers, cheers to you, you did well. Okay, so we'll solve the next question. Question number 4. And question number 4 says 8 plus 8 times 8 times 0 all over 8 is equal to what? So solve this and drop your answer. Please, if you're joining us, help us share the live section. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying what you're seeing. Okay, this is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. All right, Sibu Siso. All right, said 1. Okay, so more answers, please. Well, I didn't get the question. The question says 8 plus 8. 8 plus 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 0 all over 8 is equal to what? Princess. 14. Oh, you make it. I didn't make it. Good things. You can't hear me? Okay, let me see the volume. Can you hear me now? Please let me know if you can hear me now. We say 8 plus 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 0 all over 8 is equal to what? Can you hear me now? Please let me know if you can hear me now. So Flowers 1. Okay, so let's solve this, please. Let's solve this. Now, this is 8 plus 8 times 8 times 8. So we apply BODMAS. So Princess, okay, Princess 1. We apply BODMAS. 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 0 is 0. So everything here is 0. Then we have 8 remaining. So 8 divided by 8 will give us 1. Okay, we have 8 plus 8 times 8 times 0. So when applying BODMAS, we multiply first. Multiply the whole of this place first. And this is all over 8. So we have 8 plus 8 times 8 is 64. 64 times 0 is 0. All over 8. So 8 plus 0 is 8. That is 8 all over 8. And our answer is 1. All right. So Sibusiso, thank you for solving it correctly. Your answer is correct. All right. So please, the answer is 1. Okay. So let's go to the next question. So our next question is going to be a bit easier. Okay, so we are given 70 times 10 all over 70 divided by 10. This is equal to what? So drop your answer. Please help us share the live section, okay? And give us thumbs up if you are enjoying the class. So Flowers says 10. Please, more answers. Please, you can help me share this live section to YouTube, to Facebook, okay? So Fawa says 10, Bolanle. Please help me share this live session to Facebook or WhatsApp, anywhere. Please help us share this live session. 600. Okay. Okay, so please help us share this live section to as many people as possible. All right, so let's solve it. Okay, so we'll be saving time because we are going to solve 20 questions. So we have 70 times 10 is 700. 70 divided by 10 is 7. 700 divided by, look at it here. Okay, 70 times 10. 7 times 1 is 7. We add 0, 20 all over. We have 70 over 10. 0 cancel, and we have 7. That is 70 over 700 over 7. All right, that's what we have here. And 7 will cancel itself to give us 1. We add our 20. And answer is 100. So, Sibusiso, thank you for solving correctly. Please, I'm clapping for you. All right. Thank you for solving correctly. I appreciate you a lot. Okay, so let's go to the next question. The next question says 5 brackets 2 plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to what? Drop your answer. That is our question number 5. Our question number 5. So please drop your question, your answer. And please, if you're seeing us and you're enjoying this class, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate that a lot. Okay, so we see so. 15. So we see so said 15. More answers, please. Please, if you're joining us for the first time, this is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay? This is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. What we do is solve, ask questions, you solve. We take the first 5 persons to get it correctly, and we solve it so that you see the correct answer. Okay? If you're joining us for the first time, this is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. Bolanle, okay. 15. Bolanle 15. If you're seeing it for the first time, please feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We come live 2 times in a week to solve math challenges. But from next week, Monday, we're going to be live from Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. No live section on Thursday, no live section on Thursday. Friday, Saturday will be live. Please feel free to follow us. It's going to be afternoon section, 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. every day, Nigerian time, West African time. Okay, so feel free to subscribe to our channel. So let me solve it. Okay, we are going to keep solving like this until we get more people solving with us. Last time we were live, we had more than 10 persons solving. Okay, now here we are going to apply BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O for order, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, S for subtraction. Now you apply bracket first, order second, but division and multiplication, they are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay, addition and subtraction on the same level. We apply the one that comes first from left to right. Now we are going to open the bracket and we are going to start by division. So we have 5 brackets. 2 plus 2 divided by 2 will give us 1. So this is equals to 5 brackets. 2 plus 1 is 3. And our final answer is 5 times 3 is 15. So the final answer is 15. And Sibusiso got it correctly first. So cheers to you, Sibusiso. Please, I'm clapping for you. Thank you so much. So if you're joining us for the first time, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the math challenge. It's math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay, we pick the first 5 persons to answer and we mark the answer. Okay, now let's solve another one. We have 4a plus 10 equal to 20. A is equal to what? We have 4a plus 10 equal to 20. A is equal to what? All right, so kindly drop your answer. Give us thumbs up if you're enjoying the class. Is Sia, by the way? Sia did what? Did Sia answer the question? Let me see. Please, what did Sia do? So, Princess says 5. Sia 5. Princess says 5. Then Sibusiso 10 over 4. The Bulanle Oya. Oh, you are Sia. Okay, Sibusiso is Sia. Oh, wow. Oh, I'm Sia from TikTok Live. Wow. Okay. That's nice, Sia. So Bolanle, you're good. Bolanle says 5 over 2. Okay. And Flowers 2 over 5. Okay. So more answers. If you're seeing us for the first time, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us thumbs up if you enjoy what you are doing. What we are doing here is Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay. We do Math Challenge with Dr. Vivian 2 times every week. Help us subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you get notified when we come live. Okay. So I'm going to solve this. All right. Let me solve. We are given 4a plus 10 equal to 20. We collect like terms. Okay. We have 4a is equal to, we write our 20. When this plus 10 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 10. We have 4a is equal to 20 minus 10 is 10. Divide here by 4. Divide here by 4. Okay. Our a is equal to 2 can divide here. I'll beat you. 2 can divide here. 2 can divide here. 10 divided by 2 will give us 5 all over. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. So our answer, sorry. Please let me explain what we did here. We have 4a plus 10 equals to 20. We collected like terms. 4a went to one side and the numbers constant went to one side. So I have 20. When this plus 10 crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 10. Okay? And we have 4a, 20 minus 10 is 10. Divide both sides by 4. We have a equal to 10 divided by 2 will give us 5. 4 divided by 2 will give us 2. And that is how we got this answer. All right. So the person that got it correctly is Sia. Sia, cheers to you. Bolanle and Sia, you got it correctly. Okay. So we go to the next question, and that is our question number 6. So question number 7. Avoid me. So the next question is, we have 8 times 10 divided by 10 times 8. So what? We have 10 divided by 8 and 8 divided by 10 is equal to what? Solve this. Okay. Sorry, please for that. Sorry for that. Okay. From what I'm seeing here, Fawaz answer this first. Fawaz say 64. Sia say 64. Bolanle 1. And Abdallah 1. Okay. And Silva Chitra said 64. Okay. So please, thank you to all those who solved. Then the Raj said 1. Okay. Okay. So having done that, we'll solve. So let me quickly solve it, okay? I have to take all the names because I'm seeing brand new people here, okay? So that you not feel like I didn't take your name, that you are not welcomed. All right, you are most welcome. But the rule is that we take the first 5 persons, but I have to put everybody so that you know that you are welcomed, okay? I love you so much for joining us. So, Bolande, you say 64. Okay. Now, let me quickly solve it. Like I said, when you have this kind of question, you apply BODMAS. Okay. Now, brackets and division are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. The same thing as addition and subtraction. On the same level, you apply the one that comes first from left to right. Okay. Now, we start from here. 8 times 10. 8 times 10 is 880. divided by 10. We write everything we have there times 8. Now 80 divided by 10 will give us 8 times 8. And our answer is 64. So Fawas, Sia, Bolanle, Silva, etc. You guys are all correct. Okay. So I'm going to give a clap for the first person. The first person here is Fawas. So Fawas, cheers to you. And Bolanle, Sia, and Silva, Chatra. Cheers to you. You guys did amazingly well. Okay. So go to the next question, number 8. Please, let's work with time. Solve faster because we're going to solve 20 questions and we're almost at 30 minutes and we have 1 hour to do this class. Please, if you're enjoying the class, give us a thumbs up and share so that more people can join us. I appreciate you guys a lot. Now, the next question is 4 square minus bracket minus 4 square is equal to what? Okay. So the question is evaluate 4 square. So evaluate 4 square minus bracket minus 4 square. Listen, okay, I've seen what you said. When you talk about BODMAS, okay, we have PEMDAS. All right. Now, BODMAS, this is for brackets, order, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. And this is for parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Now, BODMAS, division and multiplication are on the same level. In PEMDAS, division and multiplication, they are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. That is why it doesn't matter whether it's BODMAS or PEMDAS. They are on the same level. That is why you can even, that's why they were able to exchange it. Addition and subtraction, they are on the same level. Okay. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. That is how it is done. Okay. So whether you're using BODMAS or use PEMDAS, they are all on the same level. They are correct. Okay. Abdallah, you can make inquiry on that. You can ask ChatGPT. You can use Google and check. They are the same thing. They're on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. So we go to the next question. Okay. So we are taking answers. All right. So let me go to the answers first. Okay, the first person is Fawas. 32. Silva 32. Bolanle, your answer. Okay, 32. Bolanle 32. Abdallah, there's no math question that 2 answers can be correct. It must be 1 question, please. Is it that you don't know how to apply it or you know how to apply it? Those 2 are on the same level, whether you're checking it from PEMDAS or BODMAS. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. The both answers cannot be correct. It must be 1 answer. Okay? Only when solving quadratic equation that you can have 2 answers that will satisfy that particular equation. Please learn this. They are on the same level. You apply the one that comes first. Division and subtraction, division and multiplication, they're on the same level. You apply the one that comes first from left to right. The same thing with BODMAS. The same thing with PEMDAS. Okay. So you can inquire about it. Maybe you don't have idea. I'm not giving you idea. I'm not telling you what it is. All right. So that I don't make mistake again. Please learn. So please, our next question is, our question is 2 square minus 4 square. Okay. So please, the answers are already dropping. Forward says 32, Selva 32, and Bolanle 32. I need more answers, please. Let me solve this. Okay. So we know 4 square is 16 minus bracket minus 4 square is 16. Okay. And minus is plus. So this is equals to 16 plus 16. And that is 32. Okay. So everybody that solved it got it correctly. All right. Please, if you're enjoying the math class, give us a thumbs up and share this live session to to share it. You can share it to Facebook, to your WhatsApp, share it so that more people can join us. So I appreciate you for solving correctly. Flowers, cheers to you. Bolan and Silver, cheers to you. You guys got it correctly. So the next question is solve 5 divided by 1/10 times 5 divided by 1/10 times 4. All right. So this is a new question. Question number. Our last question is 7, and this one we solved now is 8. So this is question number 9. So please solve question number 9. Let's continue. Flowers. Okay, flowers. 200. Please, this is live math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit the notification button to get notified when we come live. Give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying the class. We appreciate your presence. Okay. So Silver say 200. Bolanle 2. All right. So more answers, please. Sunday Anthony, thank you for your recommendation. I appreciate that. Sunday, you're welcome. All right. Thank you for your comments. I appreciate that. Okay. Okay, Bolale, you say 200. All right. All right, let me quickly solve it. So we have 5 divided by 1/10 multiplied by 4. Okay. Now, I told you earlier, whenever you have division, you change it to multiplication, but you flip the fraction. Even if it's just a number, you flip it. Okay. Now, we have 5 multiplied by, when you flip, this 10 will go up, and you have 10/1 times 4. 5 times 10 will give us 50. We now put multiply by 4, and that is equals to 200. All right. So from here, Fawas got is correct. So Fawas, cheers to you. Sia, you're welcome once again. Sia also, Fawas, Silva, Bolanle, and Sia. You guys are all correct. So cheers to everybody that solved correctly. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay. So let's solve this. Let's solve this. So we have please, I don't know. I'm just drawing it offhand. Let me use my ruler. Wait, let me use my ruler. So let me use my ruler so I can at least get a straight line. So this is question number 10. Please bear with me, even if the line is not straight. It's supposed to be a straight line. It's not drawn to scale. Okay? It's not drawn to scale. So we're going to solve this. Okay? Here is 105 degree. 105 degree. And here is 95 degree. Please, it's not drawn to scale. And here is M. So we are going to find M. M is equal to what? So from here, find M. Tell us what M is. So find our M. M is equal to what? Please, let's know. Silver, you say our M is 20. So 20 degree. More answers. More answers. Please share this live section. Give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying this class. Give us a thumbs up if you are enjoying this class. This class we have classes classes 2 times every week. Okay, but from next week, it's going to be on a weekly basis. Apart from on Thursday, we'll not have class on that day. Okay, see ya. Say 20 degree. Okay. Because I'll be going to school on that day. So the class will not hold on that day. But after that day, our classes will continue by 3 p.m. West African time. 3 p.m. West African time. Bolanle. Where can you show you here? Aquagabo. Depend na be ladam. Take this. Room daddy tata. Yes, I found 20 degree. Okay, Tamara, thank you for joining us. This is our first time of seeing you. Tamara says 20 degree. Insert username here. Okay, I'm seeing you. Insert. Insert username. Insert username 556 and please let me solve this. Okay, let me solve this. Please, we have 59 persons here. Please, can you give us a thumbs up? We appreciate that. Okay, to show us that you're enjoying the class. Let me quickly solve this. Now, let me just solve it from here. Here, let's call here A, and let's call here B. Okay, and like I told you, this is a straight line, and we know that angles on a straight line is equal to 180. Okay, now we solve for A. We have 105 plus is equal to 180. Reason is angles on a straight line. Angles on a straight line. Straight line. All right, that is why 105 plus A is equal to 180 degree. Angle on a straight line. We collect like terms. A is equal to 180. When this plus 105 crosses the equality line, it becomes minus 105. And therefore, our A is equal to 180 minus 105 is 75 degree. All right, that is our A. Our A is equal to 75 degree. All right, so solve for B. Okay, on B, the same thing. Angles, they are angles on a straight line. Then we are going to add them up to give us 180. And then we have 95 degree plus B is equal to 180 degree. Like I said earlier, the reason is angle on a straight line. Okay, so we have B, we collect license. B is equal to 180 minus 95. Okay, so 180 minus 95 is going to give us 85 degree. And here is 85 degree. Okay. We now know these two sides. Now to find M, we add up everything inside. We add 75 plus 85 plus M is equal to 180. Reason angles in a triangle. Okay. Let me just write it here. We have 75 plus 85 plus M is equal to 180. Reason is angle on a straight line. Angles in a triangle. Okay. Angles in a triangle. All right, that is why we have this equal to 180. Then we add 5 plus 5 here. 85 plus 5 will give us 90. 90 plus 70 will give us 160. That is 160 degree. M plus M equal to 180. So M is equal to 180 minus 160 degree. All right, and M is equal to 20 degree. All right, so Silver got it right first. Sia is right. Tamara is right. So cheers to you guys. You guys are doing extremely well. Okay, so please, if you're enjoying our class, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button so that I get notified when we come live. Okay, now solve this. We have 44k plus 22 is equal to 33. K is equal to what? Drop your answers, please. So Fawaz says minus 4, and Sia 1/4. Silver Chatra says 1/4. So we are solving for k in 4k plus 22 equals to 33. All right. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Help us share this live section. Okay. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate you guys a lot. So Fawaz, okay, you're changing to 1/4. So we are going down, we're going to the back. So Fawaz 1/4. All right, so please, more answers. All right, so let's go. Let's solve it. We have 44k plus 22 minus 33. We collect like terms, okay? So we have 44k is equal to, we have 33 here. When this 22 that is positive crosses the equality sign, it becomes negative minus 22. So we have 44k is equal to 33 minus 22 will give us 11. Divide both sides by 44. 44 will cancel here, and we have k. K is equal to 11 will divide here. 11 will divide here. 11 divided itself will give us 1/4. 44 divided by 11 will give us 4. And the answer is 1/4. So cheers to the people who got it correctly. The first person to get it correctly is Sia Sibusiso. Thank you. Don Silva, Fawaz. Thank you. You did a great job. I appreciate you guys a lot. Okay, so we'll go to the next question. This is our question number 11. So we'll go to question number 12. We go to question number 12. So question number 12 says, question number 12 says, 4 raised to the power x is equal to 32. Okay, x is equal to what? This is question number 12. We have 8 more questions to ask. Okay, so please solve for x in this question. Anthony, 100 degrees. We've passed that question since, and the answer is 20 degrees. Is that what you're talking about? We'll solve that. We'll solve another question. This is the second one after that. Please solve for x. Yeah, this is where we are. Solve for x. Okay. Solve for x. Solve for x. Okay. So our x, Sibusiso, our x is 5/2. And Silver Chitra, 5/2. Okay, more answers. Adriana, thank you for joining us. Adriana Thompson, say x is equals to 8. Okay. So more answers, please. Okay, let me solve this. So we have 4 to the power x. 4 to the power x is equal to 32. Okay. So first thing we do is try to find a way to make them have the same base. Now 4x is 4 to the power x. There's no, this 32 can be, it's not a perfect square. So find a way to make it make them have the same base. Okay. Now we know that 4 is equal to 2 square. So we have 2 square bracket x, which is x, we have equals to, now 32 is 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay, so this is multiple powers and we multiply them like this. So we have 2 times 2 is 2x is equals to 2 to the power of 5. You see the base are the same. Okay, we equate their power, so we have 2x is equals to 5. Divide here by 2, divide this side by 2, so we cancel itself and have x is equals to 5 all over 2, and that is the answer. And looking at the people that answered this question, the first person that answered correctly is Sibusiso. All right, Sibusiso, thank you for answering correctly. I appreciate you. All right, then Silva, you're correct too. So Adriana, please, have you seen how it is solved? So this is the best solution to the question. Okay, so let's solve this. We are given 9x square is equals to x. Okay, then x is equal to what? So, okay, we're given 9x square is equals to x. All right, so let me not say x is equal to what? So find x. Find x. All right, so solve for x in this equation. So answers, please. Okay. Sibusiso. X is equals to 0 or minus 1 over 9. All right. More answers. Flowers. Did you just answer that? X is equals to 9x square. Is that what you said? Okay. Silva said 1 over 9. Okay. More answers, please. So please help us, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this math challenge. Kindly share it so that more people can join us and learn. Not minus. Sibusiso, you said not minus. Okay. Sorry. Okay. Semba, thank you for joining us and solving. X is equals to 0 and x is equals to 1 over 9. All right. So more answers, please. Okay, let me just quickly solve this. All right, so I'm going to solve it here and then we'll go back to the answer and see who got it correctly. We're asked to solve 9x square is equal to x, and we're asked to find x. Now, looking at this question, we have 9x square. Now, I've said it many times. Whenever you have x square, this square here should tell you that this is a quadratic equation. Okay, whenever you have the power of the variable in a given equation as 2, when you have the highest power is 2, then automatically is a quadratic equation. Okay, that is, if you have 9x to the power 3 or 4, is not a quadratic equation. But once you have 9 to power x to the power 2 or any variable to power 2 is a quadratic equation. Okay, now, and I said also, the first thing you bear in mind whenever you hear quadratic equation is that it must have 2 solutions. Okay, Fawaz, you've deleted your answers. It's good. So it must have 2 solutions. And the quadratic equation is of this form. We have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so this is the standard form of a quadratic equation. So whenever you're given any number and you see that there's x squared there as the highest power and you know it's quadratic, you're going to first of all arrange this to be of this side so that 0 will be the last number. That is the equation is equal to 0. You equate it to 0. Now to do that, we move this inside. We have 9x squared. When this plus x crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus x and is equal to 0. Now here x is common, x is here is common. We factor it out. So we have x bracket 9x squared divided by x will give us 9x minus x divided by itself give us 1, and this is equals to 0. So we have 9x squared. 9x squared, let me write here. 9x squared is equals to 9 times x. Let me use multiplication to denote multiplication. Yes, instead of writing x at the times, let me use these dots all over x. So I divide it by x. 1x will cancel and I have 9x. That's why I have 9x minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so whenever you have this, that means one of them is 0. We represent it as x is equal to 0 or 9x minus 1 is equal to 0. So the first solution is here, x equals to 0. Then for 9x minus 1 equals to 0, we move this out to the other side. So we have 9x is equals to, when this minus 1 crosses, it becomes plus 1. Divide by 9, divide by 9. So our x is equal to 1 over 9. So therefore, our answer is x equal to 0 and s equals to 1 over 9. Okay, so let's go to those people who answered. So Sibusiso got it correctly. So Sibusiso, cheers to you. And Sia deleted his answer. So Silva, you said 1 over 9. Okay, so it's supposed to be 1 over 9 or 0. You just solved it. I believe why you got 9, because we are given 9x squared equal to x. What you did, you just divided by x. X will cancel here to give us 1, and this will cancel. That's why you got one answer. If you have solved this by doing it the way I did, you have gotten 2 answers, which is the correct solution. Okay, so I believe you see how you do it. So Temba, thank you for answering correctly. So please, this is question number 13. So go to question number 14, please. 14. So question number 14 says you're giving a plus b is equal to 15. A minus b is equal to 15. A times b is equal to what? Is equal to what? Geez, a times b is equal to what? So drop your answer. We are giving a plus b is equal to 15, a minus b is equal to 15, and a times b is equal to what? So drop your answer, please. Let's see. No. Drop your answer, let's see. Okay, Sibusiso said 0. Sibusiso 0. All right. Stop now. Okay. Silver 0. So I'm solving question number 14. Hi, Joe Maths 26. How are you? Okay, more answers, please. All right, let me solve it by the side here. We have a plus, look at the question, a plus b is equal to 15. A minus b is equal to 15. Okay, like I explained. Nice to know. Good day. Okay, so we have a plus b is equal to 15, a minus b is equal to 15. Like I said earlier, whenever I see two equations together with two different variables, is a simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. Okay. So it's not a simultaneous equation. Then we are going to solve for a and b. And to solve this, the easiest way to solve it is by elimination method. You just add the equation. Because we are seeing this plus b and minus b. When we add, they will be cleared off. Okay? So we add. We have a plus a will give us 2a. 2a. Now plus b plus minus b is like b minus b, and that will clear it. We have 15 plus 15 is 30. Divide here by 2. Divide here by 2. 2 will cancel here. And we have a is equal to 30 divided by 2 will give us 15. Okay. Now we are going to substitute a in equal to 15 into any of the equations. Okay. Yes, your answer is correct, Joe Max. Your answers are very correct. Okay, so we are going to substitute this a equals to 15 into equation 1 or b. So let's substitute it into equation 2. We have a minus b is equal to 15. So we are told that our a is 15. So it's 15 minus b is equal to 15. Okay. So that is minus b is equal to, when this 15 cross, we have 15. When this plus 15 crosses the equality sign, becomes 0. Okay. We have minus b. 15 minus 15 is 0. Okay. So we multiply both sides by minus 1. We do this side multiply by minus 1, and here multiply by minus 1. Minus 1 times minus b will give us b. 0 times minus 1 will give us 0. So answer is 0 here, and this is 15. So a times b is equal to 15 times 0, and the answer is 0. Okay. So the answer to this question is 0. So the answer is 0. Now the first one that got it correctly is Sibusiso and Silva. So Sibusiso and Silva, cheers to you, guys did well. All right. So please, the next question is question number 15. We are heading to 20, and 20 is our last question. Okay. So question number 15. That is the question we ask now, number 15. All right. So we are given 7 whole number 3/7 times 14 is equal to what? So please solve this. Thank you, Jomas. I appreciate you. So please solve this. Question number 15. Please solve this. Solve this. Solve this. Solve this. Okay, Silver said 102. Silver 102. Sibusiso 104. Sibusiso 104. Okay, more answers, please. Okay, Silver, you're changing to 104. Okay. All right, more answers. You can get them that tap water. Got you water. Get back water. Gamata is that back like this. Gamata should be Angola gate. So more answers, please. Please, if you're enjoying this our life challenge, give us a thumbs up. We appreciate it. Okay. It's in a shade. Says 104. Please give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this our life challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay. Give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the life challenge with Dr. Vivian Mathematics tutorial, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay. Okay, so let me solve it quickly. We have 7 whole number 3 over 4 multiplied by 14. Okay, to solve this, first of all, we convert this part, this mixed number, to improper fraction. Okay, if you don't know how to do it, check on my shorts. I've posted a video on how to convert from mixed fraction to improper fraction, but I'm still going to do this so that you learn. Okay, so we have 4 times, sorry, 7, I made a mistake. It's 7 here, not 4. This is 7 here. Okay, so 7 times 7 is 49. 49 plus 3 is is 52 all over 7. This is the denominator there, times 14. Okay, 7 divided here will give us 1. 7 divided here will give us 2. So we have 52 times 2 is 104. And this is the correct answer. So from here, Sibusiso got it first correctly. All right. So Silver and Henesha, cheers to both of you. You guys are doing well. Okay. So the next question is, so go to the next question, number 16. Okay. Solve for all over square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 and drop your answer. Okay. So this is question number 16. We are about to end. Once we solve 4 more questions now, we'll be over. So we have 2. So 2. So we need more answers, please. More answers, please. This class is about to end. Exercise some patience. We have 4 more questions to answer. Once you answer the 4 questions, we'll end the class. Okay, so let me solve. This is 4 all over 4 times 4 is equal square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is square root of 2 all squared. Okay, look at, we have a times a is equal to a squared. So square root of 2 multiplied by square root of 2 is square root of 2 all squared. Okay, these 2 here will cancel these 2, and we have 4 all over 2, and the answer is 2. Okay, so that is the answer. Oh, Sarah, you're welcome. All right, you are not too late, because we are still going to answer 4 more questions before the class will end. So just subscribe to our channel and help us turn the notification bell, so whenever I come live, you'll be notified. So next time you'll be much earlier. Okay, you're welcome. I appreciate your presence. So this is question number 17. Okay, thank you, Sarah. And question number 17 says 10 minus 10 times 10 all over 10 is equal to what? Solve this. 10 minus 10 times 10 is equal to what? Okay, solve this and drop your answer. So it's remaining 3 questions. After this, we'll answer 3 more questions and we go. All right, Sarah, you said 10. Okay, more answers, please. Okay. Silver. Sibus. Okay, silver. Sibusi, so you change your answer, so you come after silver. Silver minus 9 and Sibusi, so minus 9. If you hear that, okay. International 9. Abofazi, you're welcome. Hi, how are you doing today? So please give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying this live class. Okay, and feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever we come on live, and help us share the live channel, live class. It's math challenge with Dr. Vivian. Okay, let me solve this. So we are given 10 minus 10 times 10 all over 10. So in BODMAS, we multiply before subtracting. Okay, so we have 10 minus 10 times 10 is 100 all over 10. Okay, now 10 minus 100, you're subtracting a bigger number from a smaller number, so it will give us minus 90 all over 10. Okay, so this is equals to minus 9. So the first person that got it correct is Silver. So Silver, cheers to you. I'm clapping for you. Please manage my clap. And then Sibusiso and Itanishe, thank you so much for solving. So this is question number 8. And question number 8 says that 6a plus 5 is equal to 35. A is equal to what? All right, this is question number, this one is part of this one. The question number 18 is 6a plus 5 is equal to 35. A is equal to what? Okay. So Sibusiso says 5. Sibusiso said 5. So Silver 5. 5. Okay. So after this, we have 2 more questions to go. Please wait to the end so you watch and see the last 2 questions. Thank you for today. Thank you for supporting. I appreciate you guys a lot. Please give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying the live class. Give us a thumbs up and feel free to share this to as many people as possible. You can share to Facebook, you can share to your WhatsApp channel, Facebook groups. Okay? And subscribe for more. Help us. Give us a thumbs up for this amazing life challenge we are doing today. Next week, it will be on daily basis. Okay? So that you don't get to miss it out. 3 p.m. West African time, Nigerian time. Okay? Then let me solve. We have 6a plus 5 is equal to 35. We collect items. Let the variable go one side and the constant one side. So we have 6a is equals to, we have 35. Now, when this crosses the equality sign, it's plus 5. If it crosses the equality sign, it becomes minus 5. So we have 6a is equals to 35 minus 5 will give us 30. Divided by 6, divided by 6. 6 will cancel, we have a. 36 divided by 6 will give us 5. So the answer is A equal to 5. So answer is A equal to 5. That is our answer. So now, the first person that got it correctly is Sibusiso. Sibusiso, cheers to you. I appreciate you, okay? Then Silver, Temba, you got it correct. So Sarah, the answer is 5 and not 6. So please take note. Thank you for solving this. So we are going to the second to the last. We are going to the second to the last. Okay? Second to the last question. So, because second to last question is going to be a bit easy. Okay. It's going to be a puzzle. All right. 8 is a math puzzle. 8 is equals to 8. 7 is equals to 14. 6 is equal to 18. 5 is equal to 20. Then 2 is equal to what? So this is a math reasoning. Is reasoning. Or you can call it math puzzle or Sarah, why are you laughing at me? Okay, so solve this. This is math reasoning. We have 8 is equals to 8, 7 is equals to 14, 6 is equals to 18, 5 is equal to 20. Then tell me what 2 will be equal to. All right, drop your answer. Let me see. This is second to the last question. This is question number 19. All right, so after this, we'll answer question number 20 and we'll be good for today. So to be till tomorrow. So Sarah says that 2 is equals to 4. Sarah says 4. Okay. So more answers, please. Muhammad, thank you for the first time I'm seeing you answer here. Muhammad, okay. It's nice meeting you. Sibusiso. 8. Okay. More answers. So more answers, more answers, more answers. We just need more answers. All right. All right, let me answer this. Okay. Now, the trick is here. You multiply the first number by 1, multiply the second number by 2, multiply the next number by 3, multiply 5 by 4. Okay. But that we want you to know that when we multiply 5, we now had 2. There's supposed to be 3 and 4 here. 3 and 4. That is 4 and 3. Right? We have 5 there. There should be 4. There should be 3 before we have 2. So if our 5 was multiplied by 4, our 4 should be multiplied by 5. And our 3 should be multiplied by 6. So our 2 should be multiplied by 7. All right? Am I right? This was multiplied by 1. This was multiplied by 2. This was multiplied by 3. This was multiplied by 4. Okay? So our 5 was multiplied by 4. So if our 4 is there, it should be multiplied by 5. If our 3 is there, it should be multiplied by 6. Then our 2 should be multiplied by 7. So the answer is 2 times 7. And that is 14. All right? So you see how easy it is, but I'm the only one that got this correct. Okay? Hope you understand what I'm saying. We have 5 here. So after 5, we should have 4. After 4, we should have 3. If 5 is multiplied by 4, then our 4 should be multiplied by, the next number after 5 is 5. And the next number after 5 is 6. So our 3 should be multiplied by 6. Then our 7 will now be multiplied by 7. Okay? So the answer is, yeah, I got it. Was keyboard. It's betrayed me. Okay. No problem. So Sarah, no problem. So our answer is 14. Okay? So I thought that was very easy. It's math reasoning. You reason it out so that you figure out how you get the answer. Okay, so let's do this. Number 20. So we have 5 square minus 5 all over 5 is equal to what? 5 square minus 5 all over 5 is equal to what? That's the question number 20 and not 2. Okay, so this is our last question for today. Once we are done with this, we'll fix it some other time. Sibusiso 4. Sibusiso 4. Okay, more answers, please. More answers, please. Okay. Tracy, this is my first time of seeing you. Thank you for joining us. I appreciate you. Thank you, Tracy, for joining us. So this is our last question for today. So we'll continue tomorrow. Tomorrow, we will continue this life challenge tomorrow. Okay? Continue the life challenge tomorrow. Doc, can you do this one? Okay, let me do that one for you. I will, once I finish this, I'll do that one for you. Let me write it down. 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1. Okay. So please, let me quickly solve this. Okay, this is easy. 5 square we know is equals to 25. And we have minus 5 all over 5. 25 minus 5 is 20 all over 5. And the answer is 4. So Sibusiso and okay, Sibusiso, don't worry, I will solve it. Okay. Okay, you don't know. It's easy. You just square it. 5 square is 25 minus 5 all over 5. So 25 minus 5 is 20 all over 5. That's why you get 4. That is how easy it is to solve that. All right. So, so thank you for joining us today for solving this. Tracy, thank you for joining. Tracy, I'm so happy to have you. You just solved our last question for today. Okay. You're welcome. So please join us tomorrow and be earlier. Come earlier. Help us subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification icon so that whenever we come live, whenever you come live, you'll be notified. Okay, so we'll continue tomorrow. Meanwhile, let me solve this for Siso. You said I should solve 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1. All right, now this question, you apply BODMAS to this question. Okay, to solve it, you apply BODMAS. Then BODMAS pendants. Let me write it. BODMAS pendants. So B is for bracket. We solve bracket first. So we'll start with the bracket. We'll start by solving here. Okay, we have 8 divided by 2 bracket 4. Okay. And I want you to know that whenever you have something like 4 bracket 5, this is multiplication. Okay. So if multiplication is 4 times 5, that is what it is. So here you write it in that form. Reason because you apply this division and multiplication on the same level, you apply the one that comes first. So in this place, division is first before this multiplication that is here. So you divide first. 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. Then 4 times 4, okay, is equals to 16. So the answer to this question is 16. Okay, Tracy, I've already solved this. Thank you. So that is the solution to this question, Sibusi. So you asked for it. So if you want me to solve any question for you, okay, what about 8 divided by 2x minus 1? 8 divided by 2x, okay. 8 divided by 2x is equal to 1, okay. Okay, so here you see this is, I have to write it like this so that it's easy for me to solve it. You know, 1 is 1, 1 over 1 is 1. You just cross multiply, okay. You have 8 is equal to 2x, okay. You have 8, you just cross multiply. You have x equals to 2x, divide here by 2, divide here by 2. So our x is equals to 4. Also, Tracy have solved it. So that is, it is easy. These questions are easy. But if you leave it in the form of 8 divided by 2x equal to 1, you'll be confused. Just put it in this form. You equate it to 1, then you cross multiply and you solve it out to get this. Thank you, Sarah. I appreciate. Okay. So CBC, so tell me what confuses you. You say there is something that confuses me here. Okay, tell me what it is. Let me clarify you. Let me see if it's what I can help you out with. CBC, so I'm just holding on to get feedback from you, okay? Tell me what that confuses you so that I can see if it's something I can help you clear so you understand it better. Yes, but that is it. When you ask, like we've solved this, okay, and our answer is 4. If you input 4 here, you still get our answer. That shows that what you have solved is correct, okay? So we have 8 over 2x, okay? Now this is 8 over 2. Our x is 4, okay? And this is equals to 8 over 8. And this is 1, which is what we are given. We are giving this is equal to 1. So we are getting back 1 because the answer x is correct. You're just checking it, putting it back just to confirm that your answer is actually correct. So it shouldn't be confusing. I think if you do that, when x is 4, that gives the answer 1. That means that our answer x is actually the correct answer. Did she give another question? Wait, let me check the question again. Okay. I can only see one question, Sibusiso. Are you comparing it with the one of BODMAS? See, those two questions are not, those two things are totally different questions. This question you asked now, this one of 8 divided by 2x is from algebra. Okay, it's totally different from answering. You can't compare the two, they are not the same. This is from algebra and this is from let me call it arithmetics. This is from a simple math. You can't compare with algebra, they are not the same. Okay, you made x plus 1 to be 2x. No, you can't. They're not the same. You can't do it like that. Please, they're not the same. They don't do it like that. Please, this is algebra. You apply algebra. Method of solving algebra is different from the way of solving. You watch what I did now. Instead of going to do divide first, you can't divide first because you cannot divide. If you're given x divided by 2x, you can't divide them because this is x. If you have 2x divided by 2x, you can divide them. You can't divide. Look, we have 2x. Okay, 8 over 2x. Even if you want to divide, you can't. This is x. You can't do that. Let's say divide by 2. Okay, we have 4. And divide here by 2. You have x. This is 8 over x. 4 over x. You can't divide further. You understand? Let me write it here. We have here now 8 over 2x. If we divide by 2, we'll get 4. If we divide here by 2, we'll get 2. We got x. You can't divide this further because 4 cannot divide x. All right. So this is algebra. You can't be comparing it when you're doing numbers because when you're dealing with numbers, now we have 8 divided by 2. Bracket 3 plus 1. This can divide to give us 4 bracket 3 plus 1. You can't even divide like this. Okay, you can divide like that. You see, it's actually gave us see, that question you gave us is 8 divided by 2 bracket 3 plus 1. Okay, so if we decide to rewrite it, we have 8 over 2 bracket 3 plus 1 because this is multiplication. Okay, 8 divided by 2 will give us 4. 4 bracket 3 plus 1 will give us 4, and that is still 16. This is how you do it. If you are doing this, you can't divide further from x over 4 over x. So please, it's algebra. Don't do that. All right, my dear. Doesn't it mean that our answers from previous simplification was supposed to be 1 if we take 2 bracket 3 plus as 2x? No, we can't do that because when you go and divide it like this, I solved it like, look at here. If you do 8 divided by 22 over x, you get 4 over x. So you can't divide further because it's x. Unless x is given a value. We are given a value and you apply order of operation. Okay. Yes, now that is it. If you do now 4 divided by 2, look at how you put it. Look at what I did here. This is how you put it. You have 8 divided by 2, and that is 4. Bracket 3 plus 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. So you multiply like this and you have 16. You see, it's still the same answer. That is the best way you do it, please. Don't be comparing mathematics like that. You don't do that because each mathematics have their different formula and methods of solving it. You solve mathematics applying. That's why in each mathematics we have many mathematics. We have a quadratic equation. You apply methods for solving. They have their own special method. Simultaneous have their own special method. So you don't mix it like that. Okay, do you know when I was in school, sometimes when you tell your teacher, your lecturer, you don't understand, you now say if you don't understand it, believe it. Okay, if you believe that is what it is, with time you start seeing it as what it is. There was one math trick I was teaching sometimes. Someone asked, let me show you. Let me just show you. It's a multiplication by 9 trick. Okay, the multiplication by 9 trick says that yes, Tracy, you're right. You know, some people mistake all these things. You're giving, okay, 8 divided 2 brackets 3 plus 1. All right. Now we have 8. This ones are dividing itself. If you want it to be that, maybe you do 8 divided by 2. This you then multiply by this and you get 4. You now want to multiply before dividing. Then that is what she said. It should be like 8 divided by, you put a bigger bracket. You have to have a smaller bracket. It's when you have something like this, okay, is when you get 1. If you solve this one now, to give you 1 because you're multiplying everything in bracket. This, you solve this one first, you now multiply first before solving. This is when you do, when you have something like this, is when you multiply. As far as it's just one bracket like this is equal to 16. Okay, that is the difference in the equations. All right. Thank you, Tracy, for this. I appreciate that. Sarah, please stop laughing. Sarah, tell me something. Stop laughing. Don't laugh. Just solve something and show me. All right. 8 divided by 2 bracket 4, okay, is equal to 16. Because you know that here is multiplication. Is it true or false? Tell me, do you know here is multiplication? So putting its multiplication out is have 2 times 4. Because 2 bracket 4 is multiplication. So here, you apply BODMAS, you divide first. That is 4 times 4, and that is 16. Now, if you have 8 divided by 2, okay, let's say bracket here, 4. That is when you have all this in brackets, when you solve everything here first, before you can now solve division. As far as it's not represented with double bracket like this, once it's single bracket, what you're seeing, the answer is 16. Okay, so that is the answer. Please don't get confused. Now I wanted to tell you about one math trick I know. That's why I said I wanted to talk about that math trick, because I told you, my lecturer said if you don't know how you got it, believe it. With time you start to see it. Okay, there's a math trick I did sometime. We have 8 times 9, 5 times 9, and let's say 7 times 9. Okay, it's a math trick. Oh. Now the trick says that when you have this, you subtract 1. You do 8 minus 1 will give us 7. And then you do 9 minus 7, and that will give us 2. You see 72. We have 72. We do 4 minus 1 will give us 5 minus 1 will give us 4. 9 minus 4 will give us 5. And that is 45. You see that it is true. Now it's a math trick. People are just telling me, where is 1 coming from? That is the trick. And to denote this trick, to get this answer, we decide to employ -1. Now I can't even tell you where it's coming from. All I know, that is the trick you apply to get this number. You are telling me whether the 1 fell from 3, I don't know. But the fact is, that is what it is. You know, it's a math trick. Okay, I'm observing, and it's really helpful. Okay, Sarah, I'm glad you're saying something. So I was just laughing at us. Thank you for the feedback. Okay, so that is how you do that. Okay, so Sibusiso, that is this one is easy. It's BODMAS. It's order of operation. There's order. You know, this order of operation was actually I really love it, because it helps things in mathematics become easier. Once you know this rule, those minor equations without variables are easily solved. Whenever you're given a mathematical expression without any variable in it, you just apply this BODMAS or PEMDAS. It makes it a lot easier and faster. You just keep moving. Okay, so don't compare those two. The other one is algebra, and the other one is arithmetics. That is from order of operation. So you solve them separately. Don't go and be comparing them. They are not on the same level. In mathematics, they are not on the same level. That one is algebra. This is arithmetic. You can't be checking both of them, okay? 8 divided by 2x equal to 1. X is equals to 4. Can we prove this simplification? Okay, let me say, you're telling me that you say 8 divided by 2x is equal to 1. Then x is equals to 4. What do you say I should do? Can we prove this mathematically? Can we prove this simplifically? Okay. Now, if you say that x is 4, what we just need to do is substitute 4 wherever we see x here. Okay. So have 8 divided by 2 brackets 4 is equals to 1. Now, let me tell you one thing. I don't know whether you're a student or you're a teacher. Have you ever seen where there's a mathematical equation written like this, 8 over 2x? This is a wrong representation. You either do 8 over 2x. That is the best way to, you can never see it written like this. It will be like this. That is the best way to represent this. You hardly see mathematical expression in this form. You cannot see it in this form. It will be of this form. So this one said mathematically is not how it is written. Now, when you put it in this one, it will make you to see why your answer is. So please don't compare it to that. If you put 4 here, it will work. It's true. But in that one, you have to follow order of operation, and they're not the same thing. Stop comparing them, okay? Please, let's not waste time on that. Stop comparing them. This order of what I need to. Something you can. It helps. It helps a lot. Maybe I'll do a topic on that. Maybe next time we'll see what when I use my calculator, the answer is 1. Don't use your calculator because you cannot input x in your calculator. Is it to solve the one of order of operation? If you use your calculator, please leave that calculator. Maybe it's not working properly. Go and chat GPT. Chat GPT. It will direct you more. Chat GPT will help you out, okay? Check with Chat GPT. Please, this class have overstayed. So I want to cut it off. I hope I've been able to. Please don't compare those two questions. This is from algebra. That is from arithmetic. You apply order of operation there, okay? The answer is 1. I've solved this question and I told you the answer is 16. And you're asking me if the answer is 1. The answer is not 1. I've shown you that the answer is not 1. Okay? The answer is not 1. So please, the answer is not 1. The answer is 16. Let me solve it again in case you didn't see when I solved this earlier. You're given 8 divided by 2 brackets 3 plus 1. You have BODMAS or PEMDAS. These BODMAS and PEMDAS, they are just the same thing. The difference is the people using it, okay? You divide first. You solve bracket first. So you have 8 divided by 2. In the bracket, you have 4. 3 plus 1 is 4. And we know here, when you have anytime you have 3 or any number bracket 2, it just means 3 times 2, and that is 6. So this is multiplication. We can write it to be divided by 2 times 4, okay? You divide first because in order of operation, they're on the same level. The one that comes first from left to right to apply. So division came first. You have 4. So 4 times 4 is 16. Please, that is the answer to this question. The answer is 16 and not 1. That is what I'm telling you. Yes, PEMDAS, yes. PEMDAS, you do PEMDAS or PEDMAS. It's PEMDAS. PEMDAS. It's PEMDAS. Please, you can use calculator to prove it. Go and use ChatGPT to prove it, okay? Hey, Tracy, no problem. I'm just trying to make her understand because I see she's a bit confused. Please don't get confused. Don't worry. The next live class, we'll do more work on that, okay? See ya. You're a great mathematician, so I don't know why this is confusing you. Don't worry. We'll do more on that. I don't know, but the answer, this is the right way to solve it. Okay? So please, I would like to end the class now, okay? So please, maybe tomorrow I'll be live again. How would ChatGPT allow? I saw what you said. You said ChatGPT allows both questions. No wahala now, it's you that knows. All I know is the correct answer is 16. If ChatGPT allows you to use the first question, the same question, and you're a student, when you go to school, your teacher will now know the one the person she will choose or he will choose, okay? That will help out. All right, I appreciate your interest in learning this, but please don't compare it with algebra questions. They are not the same thing. That's the only thing I'll tell you. Okay, don't compare it with the algebra question. They are not the same thing. You can't use because you have form. You now form algebra from it and start expecting it to be the same. They cannot be the same because 2x is a number in algebra, okay? But 2 bracket 3 plus 1 there are two different things. This is a bracket here. There's no brackets here. This is just 2x. So that if you had 2 brackets x and you're telling me this thing, you're saying I may even begin to understand it, but you can't compare this and this. Please, they're not comparable. Don't do that. Okay. So please, I will advise you ask your teacher. Okay. The person will be in a better position to help you. Maybe next time, maybe at the end of the class like this, you can tell me what your teacher said. All right. So I'm happy to have you guys here. So please, the class will be ending now. I wish you people all the best. Have a beautiful night's rest. Okay. Take care.